So this is an unboxing of the Orion XTR Pro 15 2D with the help of my beautiful family here. We're going to unbox it. You're getting too low. I can't. Here, you hold it right here. Just because you're getting it to where I'm getting your face. You want.
Ooh, nice. Looks good. Look at those sexy hands, arms.
Oh, it's going to be an adult unboxing video. So far. Get the box. Get a close up of it. Is that in English? Okay. Where's manual?
This bad boy.
I'm gonna have to do another. We always save the boxes. I recommend you always save the box.
Yeah.
You know if we're gonna resell it.
Return it or need it for packing later years down the road. You move apartments or move houses.
But this box here definitely has all the info on it, so it's a great box to save. It's definitely a POP box. Definitely made to be put on a display.
Yeah.
This is also on it. I mean, it is boxed, you know, decently well. I would think that there is an area, because I have worked many logistics jobs, Walmart, Amazon, UPS even, and I could see something getting through the top there and getting to that cone. So, Ryan, you ought to put something over, something solid over the cone. I wonder how many times they've had a return for something's made it through that and punctured the cone.
Yeah.
Just a suggestion. These don't look like they're cheap.
That's badass. Let me see that.
Now I go like this.
Oh, look at that bad boy. Nice, Rob. Biggest woofer we've had, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely thick. Look at the magnet. Look at
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Look at that.
Take it out. Let's see it.
That as gently as possible. Holy crap, it's not light.
You make it look like it.
It is not light.
Sexy ass arms. Yours.
I'm not kidding you. It's not
Look at
light.
that. Sweet. Nice, baby.
That's beautiful.
Baby got back. Yeah, it's nice, baby.
Wow, alright. Can you zoom in on it for him?
Alright, give me a light.
Get a close up, baby.
Yeah, it's badass. Sweet. Okay, can I turn it off now?
No, we gotta
Put it
get
on.
the rear end.
Put it on.
We gotta get her ass in.
Baby got back. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, it's nice.
Get up close to the terminals.
Oh, that was badass. Sweet, baby. That's sick.
Sick, huh?
Yeah.
Sick.
Sick.
All right. Orion XTR Pro 15 dual 2 ohm.
Yeah, baby.
Unboxed it.